Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. If you have a Ford Maverick, I have something for you, well, a chance to win, absolutely free, that I absolutely love on my Ford Maverick. It would take you like 5 seconds to enter, and probably not gonna get a ton of entries, so you might get selected. Now, I want to be very clear, this contest is not associated with YouTube at all. It's completely independent, no purchase required, and I have some guidelines that you must adhere to. This is a contest that's only for folks 18 and up, no purchase required, not associated with YouTube, and only available in the continental United States. So what exactly do I have for you? Well, it's in this box. These are the actual mud flaps that I'm giving away. They will fit your Ford Maverick. I have them on mine. I'm providing these by way of Muslagi. They're a great set, and I've got over 25,000 miles on mine in rain, snow, ice, wind, hot weather, you name it, they have held up. You'll get one for each side, so you get an entire pair front and back, along with the mounting hardware, and they're flexible enough where they don't just crack if they get too cold. Now you can see them here on my truck. Let me get out of the way. These bad boys have held up absolutely perfectly. No complaints whatsoever on my 2022 Ford Maverick. I have an install video which I'll pop up and link to so you can see exactly how they install. Now these mud flaps sell for 35 bucks. You can get them for $0. How do you enter? Pretty dang simple. Just drop a comment below on this YouTube video. Let me know that you're interested. These fit a 2022 through 2025 Ford Maverick, and I would love to see them on your truck. So go ahead, take a few seconds, drop a comment below. Let me know if you're interested. I'm gonna do a random pool in a couple weeks, probably 2 weeks or so after this is published, and I'll respond to you directly. I'll get your shipping information, and I'll ship them to you. That's it, super easy. This is Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. I hope that you can get a set of these for free from me for your Ford Maverick. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.